Hello everyone, welcome to Croatia. Get ready to wander ancient cities, swim in crystal clear waters, and discover why this country is pure magic. So grab a snack, let your imagination run wild, and let's dive into Croatia together. Our first stop is Dubrovnik, the pearl of the Adriatic. Imagine massive medieval walls rising from the sea, protecting a city packed with centuries of stories. For Game of Thrones fans, this is King's Landing. Walk the same streets as your favourite characters. The must-do? Walk the city walls for panoramic views of terracotta rooftops and the sparkling blue sea. Then get lost in the old town's maze of limestone streets and hidden courtyards. Every alley leads to a cosy cafe, a family-run shop, or a quiet square. Dubrovnik is a treasure hunt where every discovery is a prize. You feel the history under your feet with every step. It's a city that invites you to slow down and soak in its beauty. Trust me, you'll never want to leave. Next, we're off to Plitvice Lakes National Park, a real-life fairy tale. Picture 16 turquoise lakes, each spilling into the next with stunning waterfalls. Wooden boardwalks wind right over the water, so close you can feel the mist. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and you're not just looking at nature, you're part of it. Hike the trails, take a serene electric boat ride, or hop on the panoramic train. Every turn reveals a new, breathtaking view. Plitvice is a place that quiets the mind and fills you with awe. It's nature's masterpiece, preserved and pristine. Whether you're hiking or just standing still, the beauty is overwhelming. This is a spiritual experience you'll never forget. Welcome to Split, where history and modern life blend seamlessly. The heart of the city is Diocletian's Palace, an ancient Roman complex turned vibrant downtown. Walk through ancient cellars, stand in the peristyle, and feel the weight of centuries beneath your feet. Today, the palace walls house lively restaurants, bars, and markets. Get lost in the labyrinth of streets, stumble upon hidden courtyards, and spot Egyptian sphinxes. Step out onto the Riva Promenade for sea views and sunshine. Split is a city with a story on every corner. It's history, food, and life all in one place. Hop on a ferry to Hvar, Croatia's sun-soaked glamorous island. Hvar town buzzes with stylish beach clubs, yachts and lively nightlife. But venture out and you'll find rolling lavender fields, olive groves and vineyards. The beaches range from lively to secluded coves, perfect for a swim in crystal clear water. Rent a boat to explore the Pakleni Islands, a chain of hidden beaches and seaside restaurants. Climb to the fortress for a sunset you'll never forget. Hvar is pure sun-kissed joy. Relax, explore, and let loose. Every day here feels like a celebration. It's the ultimate island escape. Now let's wander to Rovinj, a romantic gem on the Istrian Peninsula. It's like Venice on vacation. Colourful houses rise from the sea. Cobblestone streets wind up to the Church of St. Euphemia. Getting lost is the best way to explore, discover art galleries, flower-filled courtyards, and hidden bars by the water. The light here is magical, especially at sunset. Artists and couples flock to Rovinj for its charm and inspiration. Climb the bell tower for sweeping views of the town and sea. End your day with a drink by the water, watching fishing boats drift by. Rovinj is pure romance and magic. It's a place you'll want to return to again and again. Zadar is where ancient history meets modern art. Stroll the seaside promenade to discover the sea organ. Waves play haunting melodies through hidden pipes. Next to it, the sun salutation absorbs sunlight by day and glows with a vibrant light show at night. Sit on the steps, listen to the ocean's music, and watch the sky explode with colour at sunset. Zadar is playful, creative and unforgettable. It's a city that surprises at every turn. Experience the magic as day turns to night. Art, music and history blend into one. This is a sunset you'll remember forever. Our final wonder is Krka National Park, a lush paradise of waterfalls and swimming spots. Here you can actually swim at the base of Skredinsky Buk, surrounded by cascading water. Wooden boardwalks loop through forests and past restored watermills. Take a boat to Visovac Island, home to a peaceful monastery. Krka is adventure, relaxation and natural beauty all in one. It's perfect for families and anyone who loves the water. End your Croatian journey with a refreshing dip. What a way to say goodbye. And that's our whirlwind tour of Croatia. Which place captured your imagination? Let me know in the comments. If you love this adventure, hit subscribe for more journeys. Until next time, stay curious, stay hungry, and keep exploring.